Welcome to Florida in flip-flops.
Hey guys, back again, and I hope I will not disappoint you today because I can tell you that we were finally successful with that rocket launch. Yeah! It happened after the third time. So towards the end of this video, you will see how our son Lucas has discovered some dolphins. Oh my God, they're so cute. I love them. Alrighty, so guys, have fun watching this video. Talk to you soon. Bye. So guys, we're back. Hello. We are on the way to the John F. Kennedy Space Center for the third time. Crazy, yes, and hopefully today they will not postpone that rocket launch. Wish us luck, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye. So this is the park we're trying to get in. It's the Canaveral National Seashore Park. Yeah. Maybe we can and maybe we cannot. Maybe it's already filled with lots of people, so we might have to turn back and try it again close to the bridge where we were last time. But let's give it maybe another 15 minutes, and if we can't get in by then, we'll probably turn around. Right, Lucy? Do you agree? Shall we wait a little bit and see what happens, and then we turn around? All right, we'll do that. So guys, as you can see, it's a huge line. I do not know if we can make that in time. It's a huge line. Guys, I think we have to turn around. It takes us too long to get to the park. Some people are turning around as well. So we'll do that next time, but now we're going back to where we came from, the bridge, and try to find a good spot and just go from there. Wish us luck again, guys. I hope we won't miss it for the third time, this rocket launch. See all the people here trying to get in. Yeah, we decided we won't have enough time to get in the park, park the car and walk to the beach. So we're on the way back to the bridge, and we really hope to get a parking spot because so much time has passed and more people came. So we'll just try to get a parking spot and run up the bridge and try to get a picture. Alright, here we think we can get a parking, and as you can see, now there is the bridge. So in about 22 minutes the launch should happen. It's bumpy here, guys. Oh my God, I'm gonna get dizzy. I'm gonna have to throw up here. Yep, there's the bridge. We can make it. We still have enough parking spots here. So we're at the beach. I think we can make it. We have like what, 19 minutes for the launch left. Woohoo! Yep, look at that. Pretty, all the cars here ready to see the launch. All these people. Mr. Lukey. It's a little bit windy, a little bit cold today. Oh yeah, here's the bridge. Already, a lot of people there. All the people waiting. There it is. Kennedy Space Center. Alright, let's go on the bridge before we miss the launch. Lukey, let's go! Where's Lukey?
He's looking for his friend.
Bye, biters. Yeah, here we go.
I got a chihuahua.
You got a chihuahua?
Yes. She's the most loving animal.
Oh, they're awesome, aren't they?
Yeah.
Baby raccoons in the branches. Look at that. The sun is blinding me really bad, so I can't see anything. But let me see. Can you see the baby raccoons, Rob? I just see some shade. Ooh. Just something is moving there. They're like playing.
Holy banana! There are like 2, 3 little baby raccoons in the tree. Did you see that?
They have the best view from up there. Are you kidding? Alrighty, let's not forget the lunch, guys. There is my husband on his knees. Maybe he will propose to me today. Just kidding. He already did, so. Not today. Isn't that cute, these raccoons? Hey, Lukey!
Down here,
What are you doing down there?
with my little hiking stick.
A little hiking stick? Well, we're not gonna go hiking. We're gonna look at the rocket launch, baby.
Oh, I'm still looking at the rocket water.
Oh, he's always looking for trouble, this boy. Troublemaker.
Wherever you are, baby.
I'm thinking it's that
one. 8 minutes for the launch, guys.
You want smooth water all the time, intercoastal, take it and boat ride all the way to Jacksonville.
Countdown. Everybody has their space center radio station on. Counting the minutes. Alrighty, guys. I guess that's our spot here. And we'll see what happens from here. There it is, guys. I hope we can make it with my camera. Guys, we have a beautiful sky.
Other place though too.
We have a beautiful sky out here. Little island.
I can see it's walking like that.
So guys, only few minutes to go for the launch. Okay, say hi, Lukey. Lukey's first launch. All right, guys. Let's not miss it. Let's not miss it. Alrighty, let's turn the camera and see if we can see that rocket.
Go.
Where do you see the smoke? Like behind the big building, or?
Yes, right behind that black tower. Not the big building.
Not the big one, more to the left?
Yeah, so that big building.
Yeah.
So looking to the left,
Okay.
there's
okay.
a tower,
Okay.
black tower.
Yeah,
Right
I
next
see
to
it.
that black tower, there is a water tower.
Okay.
Looks like a water tower.
Yeah.
So it's
All right.
located right behind that black tower.
Where are you from?
Live in New York, but came from Ukraine.
Oh, that's what I thought. So cool. Yeah, I thought like Russia or something.
Very close, very close.
Oh, cool.
Good guess.
You're Ukraine.
20 seconds to go.
20 seconds to go, guys. 10 seconds, guys.
Oh, there it is, firing.
Oh, yeah, there it is, Rob. Oh my God, guys, do you see that? Woo! Guys, can you see the smoke and steam that filled the launch pad? Isn't that incredible? That's insane. Do you see that, guys? Yeah, baby. Look at that. Here it is, guys. beautiful. Did you see that? Finally, I'm so glad. It's going up. When you zoom out, guys, it's so far up there. Yeah. That's it?
That's it. That's it. Can we see it again?
Well, welcome to Florida, I guess.
Thank you.
From the Ukraine. Look at that, guys. And it's gone, guys. Yee-hee. Happy succeeded rocket launch. So, guys, how was that? Wasn't that cool? That's what I call a successful rocket launch, wasn't it? So next time we hope to get another rocket launch a little bit closer. Maybe we can be in that Canaveral Seashore Park. And we have to be there a little bit earlier. I mean, we're just exploring all of the different options where we should stand, where we could see the rocket launch and everything else. So yeah, we'll try out that park, which is really close to the Space Center. Hey Lucy, did you enjoy your rocket launch? Yeah? So Lucy, tell me about your first close rocket launch experience here at John F. Kennedy Space Center, Florida.
Was okay, yeah.
It was just okay? And not cool? All right. What's the thing about rocket launch? All right, for Luke it was okay. I guess he likes more to pick up the sticks and the dirt from the ground and put it in his mouth. Luke is busy with all his trash he's picking up from the ground, guys. He doesn't care much about the rocket launch, and that's totally fine.
For me to shoot here.
Nothing?
It's water and a road.
Water and a road. Well, but there's a beautiful sand.
I mean, no birds flying up.
No birds flying up? Take a picture of your pretty girl, man. Here I'm
I
standing.
did some of those or whatever, but it broke my camera.
Oh, it broke your camera. Take pictures of your pretty girl. Oh, well. You see, guys, that's my mean man. Oh, well. Okay, let's go on the road. Go for little adventures. So, guys, that you can see where we are, more or less. This is the Atlantic Ocean here. We're just going here on the inlet, driving around near the Space Kennedy Center. Going over the bridge. Over the bridge.
Photo like that.
Look at this beautiful place, guys. Isn't that cute? That's all close to Cape Canaveral. A lot of wildlife, a lot of people out here today. Let's see where my husband is hiding. Mr. Lukey. Oh, somebody's taking a picture of the pelicans or whatever is flying around.
I'm the first one.
What's that? The bridge?
Yep.
Oh, the bridge is gonna open, guys. Oh my God, there must be a big boat coming by, huh?
You know
or small ones. Like this one. Oh, is that cute? Bye-bye. He's waving. Nice gentleman. Nice captain on the boat. Pretty, pretty. There is another one coming, guys. There is some traffic here. Goes out to the ocean. Yeah, look at that, guys. All close to John F. Kennedy Space Center. There it is. Atlantic Ocean, right there. Beautiful boats. Alrighty. I just love my pelicans. They're so pretty. I want to have one in my backyard. Look at that guy. Isn't he cute? Beautiful birds. Taking a nice sunbath. Alright, here we are, just like 2 minutes further down the road. There's like a boat launch. Pelicans swimming again in the water. With the trailers. Let's see what Mr. Luke is doing. Troublemaker. That's my son, you know, very smart. Yeah. For Lucy, you're gonna get run over, but oh well. I guess, yeah, that's your destiny, okay? Let's see what we can see here. I don't like that you're too close to the water. You know that, Lukey.
Perfect house for you guys.
What did you say?
It has bathroom,
Wow.
bed,
Bed.
but no privacy.
But no privacy. So you're telling me here we have no privacy, but we have a bathroom and bed?
And
Ooh. All the information.
of course I get all the cards.
Careful of the manatees. Pay attention to them when you're going out with your boat. Yeah, nice boat. Ooh, look at that. Did you catch something?
No, we tried.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, and there were schools in there too. We just couldn't get them to eat.
All right. Well, at least you had a wonderful day. Let's see what's up here.
Guys, look in the water. What do you see?
Oh, a dolphin. Oh my God, a dolphin.
A dolphin,
Oh, wait. Oh my God, a dolphin right here in front of us. What the? Okay, wait. He's coming. Oh my God, that's a huge dolphin. Are you kidding me? Guys, oh my God, that's so cool. We got a dolphin. Okay, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Where's the dolphin?
I got all the information about dolphins.
Oh, there it is.
All
There it is.
information
Wait,
about
Lukey, wait.
dolphins.
Guys, this is so frustrating. So I'm right here where I see all these dolphins, and as soon as I turn on my camera, there is nothing. And then I turn it off, and here they come and jump. It's like, whoa. Oh, this is terrible. Yeah, when I turn off my camera, they're gonna jump, right? And when I have it on, they're like, oh well, let's stay on the water. Oh well. Guys, I got a picture finally of a dolphin. Isn't he or she cute? I love it. Okay, let me see what you have. We're not taking this in the car. How you call that? It's like a scissor. Crab's hand. We're not taking that in the car, okay? Please.
It's our souvenir.
No souvenir in the car from a crab. It's gonna smell and stink. So guys, unfortunately the video has come to an end, but don't be sad. We have so many more out there. Just keep watching. And yes, Lucas, he's really the collector. I mean, everything he sees in the streets, at the beach, behind the bushes, he collects, from batteries to paper. I mean, you name it. Just dead animals. It's like, ooh, you should see his mess in the car. It's a daily struggle with that boy. Alrighty, so guys, be happy, enjoy your life, and I will see you very, very soon.